Hi everyone, I am Dr. K.H. Vinay Kumar, EMPRI Fellow Environment and former Chief Conservator Forest and Director EMPRI. EMPRI is the acronym for Environmental Management Policy Research Institute. It's an autonomous institute under the state government. It was registered as a society under the Societies Registration Act. It was started in 2002. Its mandate is to provide need-based training programs or capacity building programs to government officials, students, NGOs, industries, and public at large. Its mandate is also to conduct demand-driven applied research on various concurrent environmental issues. EMPRI has several wings: Center for Climate Change, Center for Lake Conservation, Center for Environmental Education, Center for Information, Center for Forest Ecology and Wildlife, Center for Laboratories, Center for Applied Research, like that. EMPRI is situated in the Silvan Sarai and surroundings of Dorsanipalya Forest Campus in Bangalore. It is housed in a green building. It's also called as Hasiru Bhavana, which has incorporated green elements in its construction. It has won 2 awards at the national level. One for its exemplary performance in adopting passive architectural designs, and second one is the Griha rating. It has won 4-star green rating. Griha rating, green rating for integrated habitat assessment ratings, it is called. So EMPRI is climate friendly, eco-friendly from the beginning. EMPRI is headed by a Director General who is of the rank of Principal Chief Conservator Forest, and it has a governing body headed by the Chairman, Additional Chief Secretary, Forest Ecology and Environment. If we go to each center, as I told you earlier, EMPRI has several centers, several wings. For example, Center for Capacity Building. It conducts need-based training programs to various government officials. EMPRI has conducted 514 programs, capacity building programs since 2011, covering about nearly 50,000 participants. Center for Laboratories of EMPRI has well-equipped state-of-art laboratories of water testing, microbiological laboratory, as well as a unique laboratory of climate change. EMPRI's laboratories have got recognition under ISO 9001 and OHSAS 18001. Most of our research work, especially on the water front, water analysis and soil analysis, the samples are tested in EMPRI's laboratories only. Center for Lake Conservation is another important wing of EMPRI, which has embarked on the status of lakes of Bangalore, Mysore and Hubli Dharwad so far. The Lake Conservation and Development Authority of Karnataka had requested EMPRI to come up with the inventarization of lakes of Bangalore. And EMPRI has the unique distinction of having directed by Honorable High Court to conduct a status of the Thippagondanahalli Reservoir, which was supplying water to Bangalore earlier. EMPRI has conducted water safety plan on the lines of World Health Organization in collaboration with BWSSB of Bangalore. Honorable Lok Adalat had given a study on the status of Kaveri River, starting from its origin to its exit from the state near Hogenakallu, Mekedatu. Center for Climate Change is another feather in the cap of EMPRI, where Government of Karnataka has recognized EMPRI as the state center for climate change, and even Government of India has recognized EMPRI as the State Strategic Knowledge Center. DST, Department of Science and Technology, has given funds under Strategic Knowledge Center mission, and EMPRI has established a climate change laboratory as well as permanent preservation plot in different vegetation types in both in Bannerghatta National Park as well as Dorsani Pandya. We have Center for Forest Ecology and Wildlife, wherein EMPRI takes up several studies in relation to the forest fire, the status of regeneration of floristic diversity in the fire affected areas, status of sandwood plantations, and also the impact assessment of the drinking water project in Western Ghats, and also the mining areas. So EMPRI has embarked on all these studies under this Center for Forest Ecology and Wildlife. And we have Center for Information Dissemination. There are two Government of India training programs run by the Government of India, that is ENVIS as well as NGC. ENVIS, Environmental Information Systems, has a mandate of having a website dedicated to environment issues, as well as ISBID, Indian State Level Basic Environmental Information Database, as well as producing newsletters. And NGC has around 17,000 eco clubs all over the state. Government of India has appointed EMPRI as the nodal agency to monitor the environmental activities in these eco clubs, and also directs EMPRI to conduct Swachhata Action program in the entire state of Karnataka.